Throughout the worst parts of this pandemic, so much focus is centered on COVID-19 patients, understandably so, but their caregivers also having a difficult time coping with months of stress, lack of sleep, and the loss of patience. ABC 15's Mike Pelton with a new push to help them with their mental and emotional health.
There were a couple patients that it's so hard because you're talking to them, you're holding their hand, you're trying to comfort them, and the last things they're saying to you is, "I don't want to die."
Neva Farmer is an ICU nurse in the Valley, dealing with COVID-19 patients.
Probably the first time in my entire career that I had more patients not make it than make it.
It's the stress of trying to save lives. Neva also had her 8-year-old son live with her parents for 6 weeks to avoid the potential of passing the virus to him.
He's 8, he's still young, but he understood what was going on, that even him being scared, like, "Mom, can you get me sick?" Which was really hard.
So much pressure mounting, she's found help via a text message.
Call it psychological first aid. It's kind of like a Band-Aid, right? We're trying to give them to get immediate support so that they can get long-term support later.
Leslie Kelly is a nurse scientist and is behind the rollout of a pilot program that involves the Arizona Nurses Association.
So when you sign up for the text message systems, one of the first things we wanted to start with was deep breathing, so it guides you.
Over the past month, roughly 3,000 nurses signing up for the system, texting RN Connect to 31996 for twice weekly text messages with resources to help.
Breathing exercises, sleep tips, stretching exercises, advice about moral distress.
It's a nice little quick reminder to take care of yourself. As nurses, we're really good at taking care of other people, but we are so bad at taking care of ourselves.
Neva says the program is providing her a boost, especially when it comes to breathing.
Seems kind of arbitrary to other people, but to us as nurses, when you're going for 12 hours straight and barely get a drink of water, a minute to breathe makes a huge difference.
She hopes it helps for the long term. Mike Pelton, ABC 15, Arizona.